So hey guys, welcome back. Here we are back with some official leaks about the iPhone SE 2. And there was some rumors that said that the phone is not going to come very early because of outbreak of coronavirus in China. But instead of that, Apple is going to launch their most awaited iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9 with iPad Pro models on 31st March 2020. And now looking at the phone, at front the phone will come with 4.7-inch LCD panel with big bezels above and below. And at front the phone will come with a 7 megapixel selfie camera plus Touch ID. And now looking at the sides, power button is placed on the right side and volume rockers are placed on the left side. And at the bottom of phone there is a lightning port, a speaker grill and a mic grill. And now looking at the back, there is a 12 megapixel single camera lens, which is very obvious if you look at the price of smartphone, and I will disclose the price at the end of video. And now looking at the inside, considering this is a budget smartphone from Apple, the phone is packed with Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip. And because of this, performance wise the phone will be very good, and because of A14 chipset, people will consider this smartphone. And now the phone will come with 64GB or 128GB of storage option plus 3GB of RAM. And now talking about the battery life, according to some leaks, the phone will come with a very big battery which will last you for one day at least. And now at the end, what is the price of smartphone when the phone is going to launch? The phone is going to launch on 31st March 2020 and the phone will cost you $399 for 64GB storage option. And guys, on 31st March, Apple might launch their upcoming iPad Pro models plus iOS 13.4 and maybe some other products. That's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.